Hello, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about a high voltage fuse. I got one in this box. There's actually an image on the screen right there. And last time we talked about the 400 amp knife fuse, which is over there. It's also very special, but this one is a whole kind of its own category. So here we go. It reminds me of a normal fuse for a house in the shape, but certainly not the size. It's very impressive. It got a serial number so you can always track where it's from, how it's got there, etc. And the main thing is you can see the wire. And then when you look at this, you might think, well, there's only one wire running down here. Well, not really. There's actually a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we start with the yellow, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 running down here. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you got 4 wires running down here. And these wires are easily recognized that they have these small indentations, and that's where it's meant to burn over. So when we exceed the temperature or amperage this can handle, these will burn over. The clever thing with these is they have a safety that is able to disable the whole line. So this one is rated for 6/12 kilowatts. So that's 6,000 to 12,000 volts. That's a lot. So that's usually something you would have in a wire. However, of course, they also need to be fused. And the way it works is you have one per phase, and each line is 3 phases, and usually a ground or 0, right? So this one is mounted like this, usually, at least here in Denmark. And it's on a plate like this, and when it exceeds the temperature it's designed for, in this area there's a small explosive charge. That small explosive charge will go off at that temperature. And right here at the bottom there's a small pin that's going to come out. It's like a nail, and it's going to go out maybe 5 to 7 centimeters. That's 3 to 4 inches for you guys. And it's actually on a plate like this, so when it goes out it pushes this down, and the pin is electrical isolated from the rest of the fuse. So you are in reality disconnecting the fuse from the system. Now here's the clever thing. These pins, the fuse holder that's going to be disconnected is actually connected to the other 2 phases as well. Only physical, not electrical. So when one phase breaks off like this, it's going to disconnect the other 2 as well. That's clever. Meaning when you have a short circuit or exceed your temperatures, you're going to disconnect the system and save it, meaning you won't burn your wires or destroy your equipment more than you already has been, right? Again, just like last time, this is also from a company called SIBA in Germany, and it's very impressive. Not only just the size, but imagine the amount of power that's going to be transmitted through these fuses. Sure, high voltage cable is, but that's really just a cable, right? This is actually something that has gone a lot of thought into, and the system where it's going to be placed is also something that needs to be designed very specifically. Very, very impressive. It even has a size of the stift right here. Stift, the pin, stift pin. It's because in German, it's called Slagstift. So it's a stift. The pin is stift. In English it's called a striker. it says medium, and I'm guessing, I don't know this, but I'm guessing medium means it's either a medium size or the power it's able to push out. So this is very impressive indeed. Hey, HV backup fuse. I'll of course, just like the last fuse, I'll post some pictures, and they will be available in the description below. So this is very impressive. And as usual, a word of warning: if you see these plugged in somewhere and you have access, maybe consider that you shouldn't have access to these, because it's a lot of power. Thanks for watching. Comment, maybe a thumbs up if you liked. If you didn't, maybe let me know why. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. I'll be sure to bring you a lot of new content. A word of warning: it's not going to be all electrical content. Thanks for watching. Bye.